Different types of air conditioners. Choosing the best AC for your home. Central air conditioner. Central air conditioner. Smart air conditioner. Smart air conditioner. Ductless mini split AC. Ductless mini split AC. Geothermal air conditioning system. Geothermal air conditioning system. Floor mounted air conditioner. Floor mounted air conditioner. Outdoor unit and electrical. Outdoor unit and electrical. Indoor unit. Indoor unit. Split air conditioner. Split air conditioner. Window AC. Window AC. Blower. 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 Drain tray. Drain tray. Drain tray. Condenser. Condenser. Fan motor. Fan motor. Outdoor fan. Outdoor fan. Fan capacitor. Fan capacitor. Outdoor unit straight. Valve. Outdoor unit straight. Valve. Outdoor unit. Suction and discharge pipe valve. Outdoor unit suction and discharge pipe. Rotary compressor. Rotary compressor. Scroll compressor. Scroll compressor. Reciprocating compressor. Reciprocating compressor. Refrigerant, R22 gas. Refrigerant, R22 gas. Refrigerant 410A gas. Refrigerant 410A gas. Manifold gauge. Manifold gauge. Filter. Filter. Indoor fan motor. Indoor fan motor. Outdoor unit. Condenser. Outdoor unit. Condenser. Indoor unit. Coil. Indoor unit. Coil. Outdoor unit. Fan motor. Outdoor unit. Fan motor. Compressor capacitor. Compressor capacitor. Indoor unit. Evaporator. Cooling coil. Capillary. Capillary. Outdoor unit. Suction and discharge pipe and valve. Vacuum pump. Vacuum pump. Portable air conditioner. Portable air conditioner. Subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.